5 Best Humidifiers. Number 5. Vornado Evob 2. Automatic humidity control. Push button controls. Easy confirmation of settings. One-gallon tank capacity. 5-year limited warranty. Model is made for 120 volts only. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Pure Guardian H4610. Silver clean protection fights the growth. Great for medium to large rooms. You choose warm or cool mist to optimize your comfort. Electronic control options include night light, 12-hour timer and 3-speed settings. Mildew on the surface of the water tank. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Banco Aero Swiss 7147. 24 hours for rooms up to 600 square feet. Whisper quiet in operation. Auto mode for fully automated operation. Optional warm or cool mist. Programmable hydrostat. Digital display and programmable hydrostat. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. PE Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier XL. Operation in the dark. Leading 5-year warranty. Offers soothing lighting for maximum relaxation. Millions of customers worldwide. 1-gallon water tank. Caring customer support 7 days a week. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Vente Air Washer LW25. For rooms up to 400 square feet. Humidifies dry room. No white dust common with other humidifiers. Water refill indicator light. 2-gallon capacity. Item weight, 8.5 pounds. Please check the description for detail and price.